If you are looking for a free project management tool that allows you to have an unlimited number of users and projects, then this project management tool is the one you need to get. It's free. All you need to have is a basic Google account, your Gmail, and your tasks. So today we are going to be looking at how to stay organized using Google Tasks. Subscribe to this channel, click the like button, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss very useful, relevant content that will be coming up soon. Now, if you want to stay organized using Google Tasks, one of the things you can do is to create lists. Now, when we talk about lists, we are talking about 1, 2, 3. These are lists. The first list I have here is my task. I also have the work list as well as the personal list. If you want to create a new list, all you have to do is to come to where it says create new list, click on it, and then you can create a new list. Let's call our new list travel. So we have another list that has been created called travel. You can create as many lists as you want, just as you can add as many tasks as you want. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to stick with 3: my tasks, work, and personal. Now, how do you go about structuring your tasks for the day? We want to start by first creating a task. So let's say we wake up in the morning and then you have a work task. For instance, you need to call the manager and press enter, and you see that a task has been created. If you want to create a subtasks are very useful for tasks that need to be broken down. So to create subtasks for this one, check and respond to emails is we come here and we say add a subtask. So let's say, for instance, the first thing you will do is access my email. I'm going to click enter, and then I'm going to read my emails, and then I press enter, and then let's say the next thing is send a response. Okay, and I press enter. So these are the subtasks that I need to accomplish under the main task, and that's how to create them. Let's say we want to add the description. All you have to do is click on the main task and you're going to be able to add more details. So maybe you are working with some team members and you want to explain what the main task actually means. You can add some details here. Something like very important messages to send out today. Okay, and then you might be wondering that how did I add a due date here? But before I do that, you will find out that under my work list, I actually have this dental appointment that shouldn't be here. So if you want to move a task from one list to another, all you have to do is bring your cursor to where you have that particular task. In my case, it's dental appointment. You click on it, you drag. You have this grab icon showing that this task has been picked, and then you move it over to the list where you want it to be. And then you have to make sure that the blue line guides you and shows that you can easily drop that. So you see, we have been able to move this task over here. We also have here, when you are just hovering over each of these tasks, you would identify this star. Now, if you click on that star, what it does is it helps you to organize or group certain tasks so that way you can stay focused on certain tasks. So you don't have to be distracted by all of these tasks that we have here. So by just clicking on the star, you can actually select certain tasks that you want to see. Maybe you have decided that these tasks are very important and you want to attend to these tasks first. So this is one of the ways that you can categorize or group your tasks. Now, another way that you can group your tasks that I have found to be very useful is using this My Task area to collect the tasks you want to attend to per time. So if I want to do certain tasks here at a certain time, I can drag and drop them over here. And whenever I want to only see my tasks, I don't want to see all these other ones, I can hide the work list and the personal list. So now all I see is the My Task list. Now, this My Task list, I want to add a due date to it. So to be able to do that, there are two ways. I can click on the task and then add a due date. Okay, I could set my time easily. If I want it to repeat, I can also do that. You want it to repeat once a day, or is it a weekly recurring task? Is it monthly? Is it yearly? You can set that up. I don't want it to repeat. I'm just going to stick to adding a due date to my task. So this is one way to add a due date to your task. And you'll find out that as I have added this due date to my task, I'll be able to see that on my calendar right over here. Organized space has been added to my calendar. Now, you have to note that in order to be able to see Google Tasks on Google Calendar, you need to check this box. If this box is not checked, you won't be able to see any Google task on your calendar. All right. The second way we can add due dates is when we come to My Tasks button here. Click on it. So from here, you can access all the tasks you have on Google Tasks and just simply drag and drop. Once you do that, a due date will be added to them. I could pick this other one and just drag again and drop, and then you see a due date and time has been added to them. Again, you can also toggle to see only the tasks that you have started, or you could actually toggle to My Tasks. So these are different ways you can categorize the tasks that you see and the tasks that you attend to so that you are not overwhelmed. Now, when you have completed those tasks, come here and mark them as complete, and then they get checked off your list. And now you have a clean My Task area telling you that you have completed those tasks that you have here. If you want to see the tasks that have been completed, all you need to is to open this toggle, the completed toggle, and you can see all the tasks that you have completed. And then when you are done with the tasks in your My Tasks list, you can unhide the work and the personal list again, and then drag the next set of tasks that you need to work on. So this is how easy you can stay organized using Google Tasks. Bonus tip: how do you access Google Tasks on your mobile phone? But before we go into that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And then go to the comment section right now and share your thoughts. Okay, now that you have done so, download and install Google Tasks. You can do this by going to Google Play, search for Google Tasks, click on it, download, and then install it. Click on open, and then it takes you right into the same Google Tasks that we have been working on our system. It's synchronized. Everything that happens on the desktop also happens on the phone. You can see all of our lists, the start lists, My Task list, the work lists, as well as the personal list. And just like you were able to create a new list on the desktop, you can easily create a new list on your mobile phone. And the benefit of this mobile phone is you can always have your lists or your tasks with you on the go. And once you are done again with any of these tasks, you can easily check them, and then they are checked off your list. And again, if you want to see the ones you have already completed, you can just open that toggle, the completed toggle, and you can easily access any of those lists. If you want to delete any one of these tasks, you can do so by clicking on the task and then go to the three dots and then you click on delete, and simply the task is deleted. Again, if you want to see how that is done, we can go to another one. Let's say we go to the My Tasks area, click on the list, and then we click on the three dots and the task is deleted. And the cool thing about this is the synchronization between your phone and the desktop. As the task is deleted on the phone, it's also deleted on the desktop in real time. If this has been helpful to you, go over to the like button, smash it, and then hit the subscription button so that you can always get access to more relevant content like this.